So guys, report says Afe Babalola wants Dele Farotimi disbarred as a lawyer. So before Dele Farotimi comes out from prison, he'll be hearing all kinds of stories, you know. Initially, they've gotten court expertise asking that Dele Farotimi's book shouldn't be in circulation anymore, that no shop is allowed to sell it, both digitally and physical copies, you know. And now they want Dele Farotimi to be disbarred. I mean, let it just be that all the years he spent in the university are going to be wasted years. So guys, this is what we are saying. Somebody said something and you said the person is lying. The person is in prison. He has not been given the opportunity to defend himself. Why go this raw on him? Why go this far on Dele Farotimi? See, this is why we keep saying that fighting corruption in Nigeria is very dangerous, because the corruption will fight back, and it will fight back in a very raw manner, you know. So if Dele Farotimi has said it, that take me to court, I'm going to defend myself, they won't even wait for him to come out to defend himself. So if I were Afe Babalola's firm, why not just wait for the courts to, you know, bring Dele Farotimi to come defend himself? He should come and prove if what he has said is true or not. And if what he has said, you know, aren't true, then you can go this raw on him. You know, you can take any decision. Initially, they said they are going to be seizing all the proceeds from that book, all the royalties, all the money that book has made. They are going to be taking it. And then we're told that the book won't be sold anymore, meaning that the book might end up not being in circulation, possibly in Nigeria, I don't know, outside country. And now they want Dele Farotimi debarred. So guys, this is really troublesome, and that is why people are saying that, hey, possibly Dele Farotimi is not saying what he cannot defend. So many people are saying that Dele Farotimi knows that if he doesn't have enough evidence, he won't come out to say this. That's what people are saying, because he knows he's a lawyer. He knows the consequence of what he said. And if you've watched his videos, he keeps saying, bring me before the court, I'm going to prove what I've said. Bring me before the court, I'm going to prove what I've said. Now he's still in prison. He hasn't been given that opportunity to prove what he has said. And then look at all the things happening to him. You know, his book shouldn't be sold anymore. The money that the book made, somebody is claiming it. Now he should be debarred and all kinds of things. Meaning that, my God, if people are given opportunity, Dele Farotimi might even be tied. I'm telling you. So guys, I don't know what you make of this. Let me allow you to take a look at how Aisha Yusufu analyzed it. Take a look.
Hello everyone, today is 11 days since the Nigerian police abducted Dele Farotimi from his office in Lagos and took him and drove him all the way to Ekiti State. And in the meantime, Afe Babalola petitions LPDC and wants Farotimi removed from lawyers list. Oh, very cool. You understand? But then, well, I'll come to it. You don't know, say, in short, I think they think Dele Farotimi just woke up and said what he said. No, he was intentional, and he has his facts and everything, and he has made his sacrifices and choices on the fact that the path of truth is much more than any other thing that can be there. And for truth, he's ready to sacrifice anything and everything. And so, let me just go ahead. The law firm of Afe Babalola has submitted a petition to the Legal Practitioners Disciplinary Committee seeking the removal of a lawyer and human rights activist Dele Farotimi from the role of Nigerian legal practitioners. The petition alleged that Farotimi violated certain provisions of the Rules of Professional Conduct for lawyers. The 90-page petition dated December 6, 2024 was signed by Ola Faro, a partner at the firm. Faro was also referenced in Farotimi's book, Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System, Channels Report. The petition was titled Petition Against Tomilola Titus Farotimi, also known as Dele Farotimi Esquire, a Nigerian lawyer, called to the Nigerian bar with his name on the roll of legal practitioners kept by the Supreme Court for violation of the extant rules of professional conduct for legal practitioners, Rule 1, in short, a number of rules and whatever they put there, of the rules of professional conduct 2023, by bringing the entire judiciary in Nigeria into disrepute with his unfounded allegations of corruption against eminent justices of the Supreme Court of Nigeria, judges of High Court of Lagos State, Are Afe Babalola San, Oludaramola San, Olafaro Esquire, and the entire chambers of the Afe Babalola and Co. in his book titled Nigeria and its Criminal Justice System. Even justices of the Supreme Court, they have talked about the corruption in judiciary. So what Dele Farotimi is saying is not a new thing. But by the way, I think they are so far behind. Dele Farotimi has since retired from legal practice. Just watch this.
So your decision at the time, which was pretty close to my exit date, was a timely reminder. So you're right. It was a reminder of what I had to do. Because there is no way I could have remained in legal practice and be who I am today. It's not possible. It's almost impossible to look at the Chief Justice of Nigeria and call him the corrupt man that he is if I was still going to be standing before a judge to say, my Lord. But that's the truth. So it was one of the sacrifices that had to be made, and it wasn't a very easy sacrifice to make in the moment. But I'm thankful to God today for your timely reminder and for the grace to walk away. I'm thankful to God for it.
You know, I used to say something, may our bills not be more than our integrity. When your bills are more than your integrity, these decisions like this that Dele Farotimi has made, not many people can make it because they cannot afford to stop that thing which is giving them food. But like you rightly saw what you said, you can't be calling people, you can't call someone who is actually corrupt when you're going to stand behind you or when you benefit for him or get something for him. And he made that decision and he has stood by it. But anyway, let me go back to this article. It says Faro, who claimed that he was writing both in his personal capacity and on behalf of the law firm of Afe Babalola and Co, outlined the background of the case and detailed the alleged violations of the rules of professional conduct by Farotimi. According to the petition, Farotimi was accused of engaging in conduct that was unbecoming of a legal practitioner by making false accusations against the Supreme Court and the legal professional. So which one is the false accusation? Who does it? Even the people in the judiciary know that the judiciary is corrupt. And they say it also. The petitioner further alleged that Farotimi participated in unlawful conduct, specifically by bribing judicial officers and gaining unlawful access to a judicial officer. Okay. Oh, they are saying, so as in, you accuse us, we accuse you back. Is that what they are doing now? So I don't even know. Faro stated he joined his clients in committing misconduct and breach of law with reference to judicial officers by having unlawful access to a judicial officer. He gave service to his clients, which he knows is capable of causing a breach of law and disrespecting and corrupting a judicial officer. He knowingly made a false statement of law and facts with respect to a case already decided by the Supreme Court. He assisted his client in a conduct that he knows to be illegal and fraudulent, knowingly engaged in illegal conduct in the course of his practice as a legal professional, treated his fellow lawyers without respect, fairness, consideration, and dignity, allowing ill feeling between opposing clients to influence his conduct and demeanor by distorting the facts of a case in the course of his practice as a legal practitioner. You know the kind of petition where you know that they wrote this petition looking for something by all means to just slap something down and say this is what it is. But anyway, sir, failed to observe good faith and fairness in dealing with other lawyers in respect to a case already decided by the Supreme Court, conducted himself in a manner that obstructed, delayed, and adversely affected the administration of justice by taking steps to frustrate the decision of the Supreme Court for his personal benefit and the benefit of his client who lost at the Supreme Court. Treated the court, particularly the Supreme Court, without respect, dignity, and honor by using uncouth, unprofessional, undignified, and offensive language against the Supreme Court and the justices of the Supreme Court. Made defamatory statements Oh, made defamatory statement against judicial officers rather than making complaint to appropriate authorities. He added, indicated that he discussed a pending case with a judge trying the case in absence of an opposing lawyer. The contravention of these rules by the respondent Farotimi prompted this petition to protect the dignity of the legal profession, the dignity of the court as a temple of justice, and to uphold the standards of legal profession. I beg, I don't have to they read the things when we say they are not making sense. So the one that they are bribing justices and judges and all over, that one is not affecting the dignity of Supreme Court. It's the fact that someone is pointing out that a lot of bribery are going on. That's where the problem is. But anyway, Sha, one of the things that I'm really glad about is that people are interested, people are invested, people are checking, people are watching, people are saying, hey, what is it that is happening? And the things that we didn't know, the things that were hidden, the things that people didn't pay attention to, they are now paying attention to it, and they are saying that the people they thought were heroes are actually zeros. But don't forget, today is day 11 that Dele Farotimi has been abducted by the Nigerian police. And as long as it is in abduction, we all are in abduction, and we need to stand up and ensure our voices are heard. Thank you, and bye.
So guys, you have seen it for yourself. These are the things we keep talking about, that rule of law is necessary in Nigeria. I mean, rule of law. Rule of law. It's not ambiguous. It's not a difficult thing for people to understand. Rule of law. Somebody said something against you. You've taken the person to court. Just allow the court. Don't put too much pressure. I mean, the court should take this. The court should stop the sales. The court should cease his proceeds. The court should do this, and now the court should debar him. Why all this? When people see things like this, there's no way they want to fight against corruption. Recently, we saw the military telling Nigerians, if you see something, say something. Is there any confidence in our institutions? Will somebody ever risk his life coming to tell the military secrets? And tomorrow, you will not see somebody among the military that will still go to tell the bad people that you were the one that revealed it. This is why Nigerians are losing so much confidence in our institutions, our government at large, and all that. People are not comfortable working with the government. People are not comfortable working with our institutions because they know that people they are dealing with, they can tell you A in the morning, in the evening, they are telling you a B. People cannot be reliable. People cannot be trusted. People cannot be, people cannot stand their ground. Look at what happened recently on the House of Assembly floor. Many people that came in through the Labour Party, they were voted for. Even some of them were Okada riders. Provided they were AP, Nigerians just voted anything, AP. Today, they've ridiculed LP. You know, today they've dumped the Labour Party. I know that Peter Obi might not even run under the Labour Party, but that tells you a lot. That we don't, some people say leadership is not even the problem, followership is the problem. We don't even know where Nigeria's challenges are coming from. Are they from our leaders? Are they from the followers? Are they from who? These are some of the things we are seeing. So guys, you have seen it for yourself that Mr. Afe Babalola is wanting the court to disbar Mr. Dele Farotimi so that before he comes out from the prison, his book is no longer in circulation, the proceeds from his books be seized, and then he will then get the news that he has been debarred. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. Please give this video a like so that YouTube can recommend it to others, and drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.